Good morning. I am sitting here in the grass on a beautiful day and doing some prayers and meditation. It's been rough in my life, a lot going on. It feels chaotic, just like a lot of chaos going on in the world. So I settled down to clear my own energy, clear away everything that's not mine, clear everything away that's mine that I'm ready to let go of, and then just ask for some guidance. And I kind of felt like it would be good to walk others through what I do, because we all need to connect to our inner guidance right now. So sitting on the earth is a fabulous way, but even if you are inside, you can imagine roots or a giant selenite crystal, which is very clearing, or a waterfall going down from your feet down into the earth, deep down, just deep down into the earth, and then allowing it to vacuum out anything that's not yours, that you picked up from other people, anything that you've been carrying around that you're ready to let go of. Just ask for Mother Earth to help. And I just feel a lot calmer, a lot more centered. Like I feel I'm rooted in the ground, which is good, because sometimes I get like feeling dizzy or lightheaded, and then it's hard to do what I need to do. So this helps me just feel what they call grounded. And then I imagine healing energy, the purest healing energy, come up through my feet, and then just go up through all of my body, everywhere, all the way up to the crown of my head, and then spouting up like a waterfall, and then clearing around and down. We also have an energy field, and it could be a couple of feet around us. Our brain creates an electromagnetic field, and then our heart, when we're centered in love, has a huge energetic field. When we're in fear or anger, it contracts. But if you just focus on love, it will expand, and then you can clear all of that energy out as well. And then you can ask for loving, healing energy coming down from God. Some people like to call God source. Whatever you call God, God doesn't care. It's just all about connection to where you've come from. It's all about loving, healing energy. And you could ask for it to come down all the way through your energy fields into your head, and then clear things out in the opposite direction. Just imagine that they're just fountains that just keep clearing out. And then you can call back your energy from anywhere else it might be. Like if you had an argument with somebody and you keep playing that over and over in your head, or somebody keeps calling you and wants your attention, like they're taking away a lot of your mental and emotional energy, and you can call that back. Call that back with love. And you can imagine a protective shield around you. It just protects you from other people's energy, anything that's not love. Just a beautiful protection bubble. You can call in Archangel Michael. I always call in Archangel Michael because He is angel of protection. It doesn't matter what your religion is. Archangel Michael is here for everyone. He can come and protect every single person on the planet at the same time. So I do that to just make sure that when I tune into any messages, I'm not tuning into any other energy that is negative, lower vibration, that isn't out for my highest good. So then I sit and, okay, ask if there's any messages. And the messages can come in so many different ways. Like maybe you hear a bird singing and you need that upliftment. Maybe you hear a word like peace. Or maybe your mouth goes dry and it's a sign you need some more water. Sometimes I feel something in my body. Like right now I'm feeling a little bit of tightness in my stomach. It's always a good idea to take a deep breath when you feel something that's tight. And you can ask, my stomach, okay, what's going on here? Ooh, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. And also feeling some in my throat. So there's some connection there from my stomach up through my throat. Your stomach can be a lot of different things, but it's what digests your food, but also can be about digesting news, information, processing it. Can also be about boundaries, like how much do you give to others? Like, are you a very nurturing, motherly type person who wants to do everything for everybody else, but it harms you, or you worry so much about somebody else that you tie your stomach into knots? It's kind of like, ask those questions, what's going on there? And I just saw a beautiful, I have my eyes closed, I just saw a beautiful rose. So I think about the beauty of a rose.